Welcome to Brain Vision.
In this question we have given two circular discs of the same thickness and the diameter of A is twice that of the B. We have to compare the moment of inertia of the disc A and disc B. So first of all I am writing the given data for this question. So we have given that thickness of A is equals to thickness of B and the diameter of A is equals to twice of diameter of B. This is the given data. Now as we know that mass of disk is directly proportional to area, so we can say that MA upon MB is equals to this is dA by dB whole square. So we can say from here that mass of A is equals to this is 4 times of mass of B. Now ratio of the moment of inertia of disk A upon disk B is given by that is half of MA RA square upon this is half of MB RB square. Now put all the data in this. So this is 4 into this is 2 times of, so this will comes out to be finally 16. So this is the answer of our given question and for that option D is the correct choice. Thank you.